Okay, hi everybody. I've got a Cintiq 12WX. I'm pretty sure it's the premier base model of the Cintiq. So I've been running it on Windows 7 for a long time. Never had any major issues with it. Never had any problems that I can remember with the drivers. Never had any, big headaches with pressure sensitivity or anything. I've had good luck with it. Until Windows 10 anniversary update. Now, if you don't know what the anniversary update is, if you're confused, let me show you what I'm talking about here. You go to Settings, you go to System, and you go to About. See this here, 1607, version 1607? As far as I understand, this is the most current version of Windows 10, this 1607 version, also known as the anniversary update. And it's a big update. It's almost like this maybe should be called Windows 11, but I don't know what they're doing. Nobody knows what they're doing. Anyway, the key is if you don't have version 1607, you haven't downloaded the major update yet. This update actually broke my computer. It basically said, "Oh, something went wrong." It shut the computer down. I had to manually boot it. It told me that the update was not successful. The computer seemed to work fine. Everything seemed to be okay, including my Cintiq. The update tried to initialize again, and it was successful. But my computer was still broken. It would crash, and I had to manually boot almost every time that I wanted to, open Windows, run, use my computer. I had to manually boot it up. It would crash, and then I would have to manually boot it again. And I had to learn how to do that. I'm not like a computer person. So I figured all this out. So everything was fine, though, except for this problem. So what did I do? Well, I said, okay, I can't figure out how to fix this boot record, or whatever you call it. I couldn't figure out how to fix it. So I went out and got a new hard drive, installed my Windows 10 on there, and then I installed the anniversary update because I wanted it. I felt that I wanted to be up to date, whatever. Plus, I wasn't experiencing any actual problems with my Cintiq. I didn't have a problem. So I could not for the life of me get this friggin' Cintiq to go live. I kept getting no tablet is found, no tablet is found, no tablet is found. I'm using the Cintiq right now. It's working now, and I'm going to get to that in 2 seconds. This is the driver I was using for Windows 7 for a long time. This is also, actually, I'm not even sure about that. This is definitely, though, the driver I was using for Windows 10. When, and I've been running this Cintiq on Windows 10. When I went through all that rigmarole and got the anniversary update, and I'm at the operating system that I'm running right now, I tried to install this driver, and this would not work. And I spent 6 hours trying to figure out, researching online, trying to figure out what it is that could be the problem. I could not get this thing to work. Tablet not found, tablet not found, tablet not found. There is no tablet. So then, obviously, what do? Well, I tried using this. I said, okay, maybe this is broken. So I tried using this one. That wouldn't work. And I could not get it to work. I spent 6 hours on this last night. So maybe you're in the same boat. Here's what I did. Out of absolute desperation, I went with the driver that actually came with my Cintiq, version 6.1.4. So this is the driver that I installed. And I'm just going to go through the process because there's a little something that I want to show you. I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. I did not run the install. I don't know why I didn't. I think it's because when I put the disk in, for some reason, I was drawn to this program folder. And then I saw this. Something drew me to this setup. This is the file I ran. So I never even tried running this install application. I don't know if that would have worked or not. What I'm telling you is that I ran this, and I'm using the Cintiq right now. You're watching this on the Cintiq. So it worked. And also, to further prove my point, so as you can see, my sensitivity is working. Let's check this out. Where is it? Oh, the flat brush, yeah. Now my tilting works. I know which way to tilt the pen to make my lines like this. The point is, like, you can't tell, but I'm tilting the pen to get the results that I want. I want I want flat. And also you can see that the sensitivity, it's there. I mean, so damn it. All my settings are gone. I would paint a picture here. I'm trying to paint a picture, but I can't do it because my layout's changed, my shortcut settings are changed, everything's changed, and this is just becoming tedious. But the bottom line is, as you can see, I've got pressure sensitivity with an old driver, not a new updated Windows 10 driver. So that is my experience. If you've got an old Cintiq, maybe your original driver is all you need. It's all I needed to do. I'm happy right now.